Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Today in this video, I'm gonna be opening up the other, I already forgot what it's called. Uh, Striker's Tin, I think. Can't remember. This is the Tyranitar one. The last video I opened, or not even the last video, one of the prior videos, was the Empoleon one. That one had the two evolving skies in it. I'm pretty sure this one will also have pretty much the same packs. So we'll see what we get in this box today. Alright, so it's the Tyranitar V promo. That's the V Strikers Tin, Tyranitar V code card for you guys. So a little different, I think. What the other one have? I think Fusion Strike, two Fusion Strike, two Evolving Skies, and one Chilling Rain. This one has two Brilliant Stars. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, it has three. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I wish I bought more of these tins at the time. Yeah, I want to say I got these tins, I want to say last year at Walmart. And going to Walmart recently, they honestly, their shelves are cleared out. There's really nothing there. Not even those mystery packs that I got a while back. Um yeah, even Target too. Target's cleared out of Pokemon cards. So yeah, I guess we're just stuck, buying them online. But that's okay too, because I like supporting the online shops like Paladin cards, where I pretty much get like those Paladin packs, which are the mystery packs. Uh, like supporting shops like that. So that is okay with me. I know I like going to the store personally and getting stuff, but you know what? That's okay. So we're gonna go ahead. As always, the Umbreon will be last. So I'm gonna open up the two Brilliant Stars and then the Evolving Skies. Oh my gosh. Um I almost fell out of my chair right now. Oh my goodness, I'm a little bit of a mess. Code card. Uh, my mic was muted, so so you couldn't really hear me when I was like almost falling out of my chair. One, two, three, four. So we have the fire energy, Sigilyph, Acerola's Premonition, Probopass, Duskull, Sneasel, Corfish, Magmar, Spiritomb, Tornadus, and a Heatran. My mic was on mute. Code card. 4. Lightning Energy. Cleansing Gloves. Floatzel. Sigilyph. Execute. Oh, that's interesting. I was just looking at. It says illustrated by 0313. Huh. It's interesting. Starly, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Collapse Stadium, and a Tornadus. Oops. And now we got our, starting with our evolving skies. Code card. Bagon. Love Disc. C Dot. Slacker. Flababy. Eevee. Ampharos. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I forgot to. I just realized I forgot to do the Patrick. It's like, wait, what? Oh my goodness. I'm just tired, you guys. Oh, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark energy. Oh, dark energy. Herdier. Oh, that was weird. Look, oh, you know, it's kind of ridged at the bottom. The reflecting words. I was like, huh, why does it have that? Aroma Lady. Rescue Carrier. Drowsy. Scraggy. Feebas. Hitmonchan. Slackoth. Rescue Carrier. Let's see. Oh my gosh, a Vaporeon. Oh, let's go. Oh, so far it seems like these the hits from these evolving skies are pretty good. Oh my gosh, that was the one I have. Actually, you know what? I have it right here. Um, actually wanted to highlight it at the beginning of this video. Uh the Lycanroc VMAX Rainbow I pulled in the Empoleon tin. I was so I was so hyped when I got this. Oh my gosh, and now I have a Vaporeon V. Oh my gosh. That's oh, so exciting. Let's I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. Last pack. There's the Umbreon artwork. I think I pulled the Lycanroc out of the Umbreon artwork, so I mean, hopefully we get something in here. But if we don't, that's okay. we got the Vip. We got a Vaporeon. So code card. 2, 3, 4. Water energy. Dream Ball. Xenia's Resolve. Hippowdon. Carvana. Dweeble. Marie. Drowsy. Scraggy. Moon and Sun Badge. And a Shiftry. So we did not get a hit in that last pack, but you know what? That's okay. Um, we did get Tyranitar V as our promo for the tin. Got a Hollow Eevee and a big hit Vaporeon B. Oh my goodness. Really do wish about more of these tints. You know, didn't think about it at the time. You know, and as always, some extra code cards for you guys. So Chilling Rain code card. Another Chilling Rain. This one's just the Sprigatito Paldea collection. And Crown Zenith. This is the Fuecoco Paldea collection. Crown Zenith. Silver Tempest. Crown Zenith. Another Crown Zenith. And last one, also Crown Zenith. Ooh, oh my gosh. Can't find my cam. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Again, thank you for stopping by and watching my videos, showing support for my channel. As always, take care of yourself. You guys have a great day and hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.